Hey everyone, and welcome to InvoiceGPT. Today we're taking a quick tour of the app so you can start capturing like a pro. We'll start with the most common method, scanning an invoice. This lets InvoiceGPT pull out all the key data for you automatically. First, choose the account and group you want to file it under, especially handy if you manage more than one. Now let's add some images of the invoice. You can snap a photo or upload from your gallery. Remember, you can add multiple images, so make sure they're clear and easy to read. If you can't read it, the AI probably can't either. Once you finish scanning, you'll see the AI get to work, extracting all the important data. You'll get a quick review screen to double-check anything and make edits if you need. Done reviewing? Great. Now tap Upload, the little cloud icon, and to save it. Back on the home screen, you'll see a little progress bar that tracks your upload. Once it's done, it disappears, or if something went wrong, it'll let you know. Got an invoice in your inbox? No problem. Here's how to handle it. Head to your account and pick the group you want to capture under. InvoiceGPT gives you a unique tag called the email subject. Just copy that into your email subject line. Then send your invoice to invoices@invoicegpt.app. You can attach up to 4 images, or just one PDF if you prefer. Just a heads up, make sure you're sending from the same email address you registered with. That's how we know it's you. The subject tag helps us know where to file it. All right, let's check out your invoices. The Invoices page shows everything you've captured. You can filter by account, group, member, and date. You can even search by vendor name or even keywords from line items. Super handy. Now let's look at reports, a great way to track your spending and spot trends. You can view a category-based summary or a full invoice list, and when you're ready, tap the download button. You'll be able to either email it or save it straight to your phone. Easy. Meet your personal AI assistant. Ask pretty much anything about your invoices, like, what recipes can I make with my frequently bought items? Or, which categories should I focus on to save more? Go ahead and experiment. It's here to help. Let's head over to the account section. Here's where you manage everything tied to your account, including your groups and team members. To keep things organized, tap Add Group, give it a name, and that's it. You can hold on a group later to rename or delete it. To add a member to your account, tap Add Member. Then just enter their email address and choose their role, either admin or standard. They'll need to have an InvoiceGPT account to join. Oh, and if you ever need to hand over control, you can transfer the entire account to another user. They'll take ownership of everything. Here are a few extra tips to help along the way. Throughout the app, you'll see this little row line icon next to items. If you hold on it, you'll see more actions, like retrying a scan, deleting a draft, or editing a record. And if something looks out of place, like a missing invoice or a screen that didn't update, just swipe down to refresh. That usually does the trick. Good luck capturing. We hope the app makes organizing your invoices a whole lot easier.